Learn sentence patterns. As most of the learners requested to make the simplest video for their speaking, we have decided to start with the most common sentence patterns. The reason is that in my experience with years of teaching, many students have been learning English for considerable years, yet their speaking levels are considerably low. Of course, not everyone. So in this video series, we are going to help students to learn how to learn to speak in the very beginning stage. So we have decided to start with most common sentence patterns, where students don't need to learn much about grammar. Basic sentence patterns. Number one, we are going to use interested in doing something. That means you are happy to do so. Only you need to remember the construction that we use, interested in plus verb plus ing. So you can see the construction that we mentioned here. You should write down so you can understand very clearly. Is it clear? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Different types of be verbs. Only present tense we are talking about in this lesson. For beginners, be verbs are am, is, are, and we mention how they are used with the personal pronouns like I am, he is, she is, you are, we are, they are. My friend, here is singular, we use is. My friends, if it is plural, we use are. Here are the basic sentence patterns. Example, how to form the sentence patterns with the interested in plus verb plus ing. We are using different sentence patterns with 3 stages for you to understand clearly how to speak with sentence patterns. So the number one, we are using interested in watching television. We are going to tell you the 4 forms of the sentence. All the sentence we can make 4 forms like positive, negative, interrogative and the answer, but here we are going to talk about the 3 forms because the answer is different based on the question. Example, I am interested in watching television, positive. I am not interested in watching television, negative. Are you interested in watching television? Interrogative. The answer is yes I am or no I am not. Here are the few phrases for making sentence. You have to make interested in plus phrase. Phrase means verb plus ing. As you can see, we use few of phrases. Examples, interested in learning English, interested in watching television, interested in playing volleyball, interested in reading books, interested in listening to music, and many more. You can add more. Positive statements with interested in learning English. Example, stage 1. I am interested in learning English. You are interested in learning English. He is interested in learning English. She is interested in learning English. We are interested in learning English. They are interested in learning English. My friend is interested in learning English. Here is singular. My friends are interested in learning English because here is plural. And the negative statement with interested in learning English. Examples, I am not interested in learning English. You are not interested in learning English. He is not interested in learning English. She is not interested in learning English. We are not interested in learning English. They are not interested in learning English. My friend is not interested in learning English. My friends are not interested in learning English. Interrogative statements with interested in learning English. Examples: am I interested in learning English? Normally we don't ask questions from ourselves. So this is just how the sentence is formed. Are you interested in learning English? Is he interested in learning English? Is she interested in learning English? Are we interested in learning English? Are they interested in learning English? Is your friend interested in learning English? Singular here. Are your friends interested in learning English? Here we call plural because here we mention friends. Positive statement with interested in watching television. Example stage 2. I am interested in watching television. You are interested in watching television. He is interested in watching television. She is interested in watching television. We are interested in watching television. My friend, singular, is interested in watching television. My friends, plural. So we call my friends are interested in watching television. Negative statement with interested in watching television. Example: I am not interested in watching television. You are not interested in watching television. He is not interested in watching television. She is not interested in watching television. We are not interested in watching television. They are not interested in watching television. My friend is not interested in watching television. Singular, my friend, singular. My friends, plural. My friends are not interested in watching television. Interrogative statement with interested in watching television. Example stage 2. Example: am I interested in watching television? You can change are you interested in. Are you interested in watching television? Is he interested in watching television? Is she interested in watching television? Are we interested in watching television? Are they interested in watching television? Is your friend interested in watching television? Singular form here. Are your friends interested in watching television? Here plural. You have to listen to the speaker so you can understand the difference. Positive statements with interested in listening to music. Example stage 3. I am interested in listening to music. You are interested in listening to music. He is interested in listening to music. She is interested in listening to music. We are interested in listening to music. They are interested in listening to music. My friend is interested in listening to music. Singular, my friend, singular. My friends are interested in listening to music. Here we use my friends, so we call plural. So my friends are. Negative statements with interested in listening to music. Example stage 2. I am not interested in listening to music. You are not interested in listening to music. He is not interested in listening to music. She is not interested in listening to music. We are not interested in listening to music. They are not interested in listening to music. My friend is not interested in listening to music. My friend, singular. So we use is. My friends are not interested in listening to music. Here we call my friends, so it is plural. You have to use my friends are. Interrogative statements with interested in listening to music. Example stage 3. Am I interested in listening to music? As you see, we don't ask question by ourselves, but we just use as a sentence for you to understand. You should change as are you. Are you interested in listening to music? Is he interested in listening to music? Is she interested in listening to music? Are we interested in listening to music? Are they interested in listening to music? Is your friend interested in listening to music? Your friend singular here, so you have to use is. Are your friends plural? Are your friends interested in listening to music? Prepared by Anjula Himashi, grade 10. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. This lesson is sent to us by Anjula Himashi and she is studying in grade 10 at Nalanda Girls College at Minongoda, Sri Lanka. Thank you very much Anjula, and we are expecting more videos like this, and we wish you good luck for all your exam. Make sure you are sending more videos like this. Let us finish this lesson by saying thank you very much for the learners. We have a special message to you today, that is, in life whatever you learn, it needs to be learned from the heart with the absolute faith that I can do, or I learned this. This is the message you are sending to your subconscious mind to allow you to learn and grow. Do not just read or do something for the sake of doing it. So we wish you all the best with our new learning platform, Learn How to Learn. We are going to share more simple video like this, Learn How to Learn. Thank you very much for listening. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so you never miss another video.